Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chico and today's video is all about showing you guys how I created this holiday look, so keep watching. So we're gonna start by doing the eyebrows and I'm using Davis number 18 eyebrow pencil. I've already used soap to lay my brow hairs and I have a tutorial on the same on this channel. I'm gonna link it somewhere here so that you can check it out if you haven't. Yeah. For concealer, I'm going to be using a legal concealer in the shade medium beige for the lower part of my eyebrow. So I'm going in with my Kara Beauty eyeshadow palette and I'm taking this shade over here as my first transition color, as my first crease color. First tap that. I'm placing it above the crease so that when I blend it out and when I cut my crease, it will still be visible. Blend a bit using the same brush around the edges for a smooth transition like that. Then take a bit of this blue over here. Taking this green over here from the Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star. I'm applying that at the front part. To blend that out, I'm going to go with this yellow shade over here. Taking this black shade over here, I'm going to smoke out the outer corner. Like that. So I'm now going to cut my crease. Then going to take this red shade over here and apply that on the lid. Then going to take this glitter liner I'm done with the eyes. Now moving to the face, starting with my primer. This is the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. Highlight, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade number 45. To set my concealer, I'm using the jcat banana powder. To contour, I'm using the Fit Me powder in the shade Espresso. Then taking my Maybelline powder in the shade Toffee, I'm gonna apply that all over my face as I sweep off this setting powder. For lipstick, I'm gonna use the Joanna K Cosmetics Free Spirit and this e.l.f. BP. So that's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.